Hi everyone, this is Vaishali here. On my channel, I show DIY for home decor, everything what we offer in Akriti creation. In today's video, I am going to show you tiara flower. But before we start, let me tell you, please subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it, and press bell icon to get updated of my upcoming video. So let's start. Tiara flower. To make tiara flower, we need a metal eye tool, dental tool, scissors, floral wire, glue and clay. So as usual, I will take this clay and make a teardrop of it. Then give a little press on the petal and start making it. Flatten on the top. Give a round shape for the petal which we need for the tiara flower. Remove it and take your dental stick and roll it on the top to flatten it. Then press it into the center to get those sides little bit slightly thicker. Remove your petal. Then take your metal eye molding tool and give a dent at the bottom and bend your petal little bit, so you'll get this kind of shape. Now take a stem with the stamens and then take your petal, glue it little bit on the opposite side and press it for the formation of the flower. Slowly you have to give a dent on each petal and then glue it on the bottom and then start making flower. As I have given dent and bent the petal already, I'll just put the petals on the stem with the stamens. Here we go. Your flower is ready. Let it dry overnight so that you can get this shape and your flower will be ready. Please write me in the comment section your comments, and also let me know any specific DIY if you need from me so that I can make it in my videos accordingly.